Hi, I'm Dimitris, and in this presentation we're going to see some worked examples of quadratic equations when the coefficient b of x equals 0. As we know, the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where the only restriction is that a, the coefficient of x squared, can be 0. Therefore, there are no restrictions for the value of b and c, and both b and c can be any real numbers. Now, if b is 0, then the above general form of the quadratic can be written in the new form ax squared plus c equals 0. In order to solve this type of equation, we can always apply the quadratic formula for b equals 0. Apart from that, there is a faster way of solving it without the need of using specific formulas. All we have to do is solve for x squared. By doing so, we get the equation x squared equals negative c over a. And from this moment, our solutions of our quadratic all depend on the sign of this quotient. Specifically, if negative c over a is a positive number, we can take its square root to estimate the values of x. And if negative c over a is a negative number, then there are no real solutions. Let's see now some examples. First example, solve the equation negative 3x squared plus 5 equals 0. Like we said before, we'll start by solving this equation for x squared. By doing so, we get the equation x squared equals 5 over 3. And since this number is positive, we can take its root to find our solutions, which are the solutions x equals plus or minus square root of 5 over 3. Second example, solve the equation 2x squared plus 4 equals 0. We're going to start by solving this equation for x squared. By doing so, we get the equation x squared equals negative 2. And here we have to notice that x squared as a square is always bigger or equal to 0, and therefore it can't be equal to a negative number. Hence, the above equation has no real solutions. For any questions about this presentation, you can always contact me on the following email. Thank you for your time.